I have the vegetables right now boiling and steaming. So like that, it's easy to just saute them and be ready. All right. So we're gonna do the vegetables. For the vegetables, it's the same thing. I have the pot. We're gonna put some oil in there. Olive oil is the best one for the vegetables, definitely. I do have a little bit of broccoli, a little bit of cauliflower, and yellow squash. So let's put this in here. Those veggies. I open a little hole in the middle. See? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put my onions. I mix it up a little bit. And then I'm gonna put my onions in here. If I see that it's not much oil in there because the pan is a little bit different, so I move it to one side where the oil is it, and then I'm gonna add in there my onions and peppers. All right, so I can let them to saute a little bit. After I add that, onions and peppers, what I wanted to do is I want to put a little bit of salt. You can move the pan a little bit. And then we keep cooking. I'm gonna go 1 minute until I just move these veggies out. I don't want to touch them after they cook with my bare hands. I put some more of the veggies that I have. And I have 10 minutes to finish all this. All right. So let's see what it comes out. This is a nice melty vegetable. A lot of veggies in there. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic. I do the garlic at the end so the flavors of the garlic stay kind of. I don't want to make it too strong. But also I want that little nice flavor. I do the same. I put it in the middle. I cover them, and then I'm gonna mix all of them with that wonderful garlic. A little bit of salt. I know I already put it on it. Our vegetables are almost ready. All that garlic is in there. See the needs. It's nice to saute a little bit the garlic, but sometimes when I put it at the beginning, the garlic cooks too much. It all depends the plate that you're doing it. I love to do the slice of the garlic, and this garlic is not too strong. This garlic is really light garlic on it. But if you can smell this right now, it smells absolutely wonderful. So we can pack a nice thing for, think about, like for around 5 people, each container I'm doing now. So it's kind of nice. I just hope people love it, and we're gonna try to do something this week when you are at home and you wanted to cook something that a simple pasta or a simple just rice, you know what I mean, for the kids. A little fried chicken in a different style, different way. We're gonna try to play that this week. I'm here at the Glencove mansion now, so you are invited to my video, and see how do you like everything.